This is the sound of the 30s.
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Gather round, all you rug cutters, because we're going to show you what swing is all about.
These great sounds should not be left to gather dust. You might dig out that old 78.
Don't be a windy. Go way out.
You want to dance?
Yeah! Swing.
The sound of the swing era. Kind of scratchy.
Hey! Hey, I'm kind of shy, sorry.